Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths by Varakmar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter Progressions, exercise 6.3, 7th problem student. See here what he is asking to find us in the 7th problem. Show that a1, a2, a3 and so on an, dash dash form an arithmetic progression where an is defined as below. So there are two bits here. First one an is equal to 3 plus 4n, second one an is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. So this is the problem he is asking to find a student. See here he has given an student. So an in the first one an is equal to 3 plus 4n. So we have to find a1, a2, a3 by substituting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 we can get a1, a2, a3 and a4 and so on. So he is asking to find us, we have to show it form an AP. So it is very easy. So we have to find the successive difference of, we have to find the difference, common difference of successive terms to show it form an AP. So next also he is asking to find us sum of first 15 terms in each case. So he is asking to find us S15. We have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So in that formula we have to substitute n equal to 15. So we have to find a and d values from a1, a2, a3. So we can get a and d values. So that he is asking to find a student. See how can we solve. Student, if you are watching first time, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Whenever I upload the videos you get the notification. So student, see here. So first we have to prove first one student. I am taking first problem. An is equal to 3 plus 4n he has given. So this he has given to a student. He has given. So if n is equal to 1, so by substituting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 we can get if n is equal to 1, that implies a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, that is 3 plus 4 which is 7 student. So if n is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, 3 plus 8 is 11 student. So in the same way, if n is equal to 3, a3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3. So that is 3 plus 4 into 3 is 12, 3 plus 12 is 15 student. So like this and so on. So now we have to write a1, a2, a3 and so on is equal to 7, 11, 15 and so on. So now we have to check whether it forms an AP or not. So here d is equal to a2 minus a1, that is 11 minus 7 which is equal to 4, and also you have to find a3 minus a2 also student, that is 15 minus 11 which is also 4. Therefore it forms an AP. Therefore it forms an AP. It forms an arithmetic progression. So here a is equal to, so here therefore a is equal to 7 and the common difference d is equal to 4. A is equal to 7 and the common difference d is equal to 4. So student, and also is asking to find a sum of the first 15 terms. So see here how can we find the sum of the first 15 terms and the sum of the first 15 terms. It is denoted by S15 student. Sum of the first 15 terms is denoted by S15. We have Sn is equal to sum of the n terms of an arithmetic progression n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula we have to use to find the sum of the first 15 terms. So here n is equal to 15 student, a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 4. So just we have to substitute all the values in the formula. So here we get S15 is equal to, so n by 2, that is 15 divided by 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 7 plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into d is d equal to 4. So student, just I have substituted all the values in the formula. Here n is equal to 15, a is equal to 7, d is equal to 4. So S15 is equal to n by 2, that is 15 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 7 plus 15 minus 1 into d, that is 4. So we have to simplify student here. 15 divided by 2 into, so 2 into 7 is 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. So 14 fours are 56 student, 14 fours are 56. So next to 15 divided by 2 into 14 plus 56, it is 70 student. So by cancel 2 ones and 2 35s, so 15 into 35, 15 5s are 75, 5 plus 7, 15 3s are 45 plus 7 52. So 525. So this is the sum of the first 15 terms for the given arithmetic progression. So this is the first one student. So next we have to find the second one. Second one, an is equal to 9 minus 5n he has given. So in the same way we have to find the second problem. Student, this is the second bit in the seventh problem. So an is equal to 9 minus 5n he has given student. So this he has given to us. So he is asking to find us a1, a2, a3 and check whether it forms an AP or not. So see student, if n is equal to 1, by substituting n is equal to 1, 2, 3, you can get a1, a2, a3. If n is equal to 1, a1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1, that is 9 minus 5, which is equal to 4 student. So next, if n is equal to 2, we get a2. a2 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2, that is 9 minus 10, which is minus 1. So if n is equal to 3, we get a3, that is 9 minus 5 into 3, which is 9 minus 15, which is minus 6 student. So dash we can get by substituting n equal to 4, we can get a4. Therefore here a1 comma a2 comma a3 dash is equal to 4 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 and so on. So here this is the series student. Now we have to check whether it forms an arithmetic progression or not by finding the common difference of the successive terms. So d is equal to now a2 minus a1. So a2 is minus 1 student, a1 is 4. So minus 1 minus 4, which is minus 5 student. So in the same way, we have to find a3 minus a2. a3 is minus 6 minus a2 is minus 1, that is minus 6 plus 1, which is minus 5. So the common difference is same student. Therefore it forms an AP. Therefore it forms an arithmetic progression. So here a is equal to student how much? A is equal to 4 and the common difference d is equal to minus 5. So next is asking to find sum of first 15 terms. So the sum of the first 15 terms we have to find student, and the sum of the first 15 terms. So it is denoted by S15 student. Sum of the first 15 terms is denoted by S15. So we have sum of the n terms, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula we have to use to find the sum of the first 15 terms student. So here n is equal to 15 comma a is equal to how much student? 4, and common difference d is equal to minus 5. So we have all the values student, just we have to substitute in the formula. So from here we get S15 is equal to n by 2, that is 15 by 2 into 2a. 2 into a value is 4 plus n minus 1, that is 15 minus 1 into d value is minus 5. So just I have substituted all the values in the formula student. So Sn, that is n equal to 15, S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 4 plus n minus 1, 15 minus 1 into d is 5. So just I have substituted the values. Now I have to simplify student. 15 by 2 right as usual. So 2 into 4 is 8 plus 15 minus 1 student here. 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 5s are 70. So plus into minus minus. So we can get minus 70 here. That is 15 divided by 2 into 8 minus 70 is minus 62. So 2 1s and 2 31s. So 15 into minus 31 we can get negative. 15 1s are 15, 5 and 1. 15 3s are 45 plus 1 46. So minus 465. So this is the sum of the first 15 terms. So like this we can solve student using the formula Sn. Student, very easy. So after watching the videos, at least you have to practice 3-4 times, then only you can get perfect student. So if you practice, you can do it as your own. So student, if you are watching first time, subscribe my channel, and if you understand this, if you like this, share to your friends. Student, again we will meet in the next class with another problem. So that's all today's class.